What's going on, guys? This is your boy Preston coming back to you with another vlog, and today this is just a follow-up video to the one you saw about me comparing my regular halogens to my LED lights. So today I bought, these are 9012. Does it shine brighter? Is it actually white? Because the lights that we have in our vehicle are a yellowish tint. They could at least put better headlights in them than what came in them, but I guess this was one of the price saving things that they did to try to help us out. But I don't think saving me $50 on my vehicle was really worth it. So I bought the lights. We're about to do the install on them, and then tonight we'll come out and cut these lights on just like we did our LEDs to see if it really makes a difference. So of course the thing to do before you start doing any mod to your vehicle is to make sure that the mod matches up and that it makes sense. So for me, since I had that LED issue last time, I'm gonna replace this one since it's the easiest to get to. And then I'll eventually go over there and get that one later on tonight if it's brighter and if this looks better. So this protects your headlight, this little piece here, and it is in there. So again, it's going to be down in this corner. It's sticking up like this. You have to rotate it like that if you're looking down on it like this to pop it out, and you got to rotate it back like that to pop it back in. So let's take this halogen out and put our new one in. And this is how the box comes. I'm going to take it out, put this one in. I'm actually going to put the actual OEM halogen in this box to keep it safe. Really supposed to have gloves on when you do this. So let me go grab some gloves real quick. Alright, my glove is on. So let's pull my light out. Voila, I couldn't feel anything with that glove on, so I hate that they got this thing in there, bulb. Got it sticking up bulb first. And I did. And just looking at them, they look very identical, except you see the base on this one seems to be a little bit thicker, so I'm assuming, and the glass on this one is a little bit longer compared to being wider from the OEM. So hopefully that helps with that projection. So it should project further is what I'm assuming. The 9012 doesn't even match up with it. So on the website I read that you can use the 9012 in place of what's in here now. I'm assuming this is a 9011. So no, this is a 9005, and I was told that you can replace the 9005 with the 9012s. So this is a good learning experience here. The 9012s do not fit in our cars. So what I'm gonna have to do now is order the correct bulb to go into it, because it's not the 9012. You see the 9005 that came out has different pieces inside of it. It's two like little plastic pieces there, and the 9012 have one, which keeps it from sliding into the actual, let me see if you can see this. So you see there's two plastic pieces here, one plastic piece on the inside of there, and that's what's keeping it from sliding in. So we can't even put the 9012 in it. So let's go ahead and wrap this mod up, because it's not gonna happen. I'm a firm believer in that, man. The hardest mod is the one you can't see. Alright guys, while I'm fighting this, go pick up you some merch from exoticcarblacklist.com. Pick up merch from exoticcarblacklist.com. There we go. Test your mic, and I tested it. Another opportunity to do a headlight mod. So now I got to do more research, because the 9012s do not fit my car like they said they would. So now I got to try the 9011s to see if that series will fit my car, and the number is up there at the top. So I could have sworn I saw the 9012s fit. I could have been wrong. It's probably my fault. It's usually user error when things don't fit properly. That's usually what it is. Guys, hit the store, pick up some merch. Pick up the merch. I need you guys to pick up some merch. Hit the store and go help your boy out. I appreciate everything. Thank you, my new viewers. Thank you to my subscribers that's been with me from day one, A1. We are out of here today. We tried to do that headlight mod. It didn't happen, so it's time to order another, and that's 2 down. It's usually 3rd time's a charm, so let's hope this is a charm. I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.